Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. This one is for our scripture set for June of 2025. I love this set and I think you're going to love it too. I cannot wait for you to see it. But first, are you a member of the club? Why not? Think about joining. The information's in the description below. You get a new, never before seen stamp set every month mailed directly to your door. And as a club member, you get a discount in our store. So check out the information below. All right, you ready for this one? This one is called His Eye is on the Sparrow. Are you kidding me? Look how cute this set is. I love it so much. This little bird and his sweet little expression is my very favorite thing. The scriptures for this one are, not one sparrow falls without the Father knowing. And the other one is, fear not, you are worth more than many sparrows. Isn't it adorable? I love it so, so much. I cannot tell you how much time and effort we put into placing these leaves. I was so picky about them, but I love how they turned out, and you're going to love them on the samples. This little birdhouse, something really cool, and I'm going to be doing this in a video soon. Be sure to catch my Sunday afternoon videos where I do my prayer map cards, because I use my stamp sets there a lot. Miss Sylvia made this in such a way, I don't know if you can tell, but do you see how these little breaks are right here in the wood, where you can stack these guys and make it a 2-story birdhouse, and it is absolutely adorable. So you'll see that coming up soon. All right, let's look at the samples. They're so cute. Look at this little guy. He's a little birdhouse hanging on the branch, and the little bird is inside of it. Isn't that adorable? I love this one so much. And then these are from Miss Geneva, Miss Opal, just to let you know, they do our samples for us. They do such a good job. This guy, he opens twice. He opens here, and then he also opens here. So you have lots of places to write. And look how I love this. They typically always find a way to use our little extra little stamps in little unique ways. I love that. And then look at this one, the little peach and green, him on the branch. All the little leaves have been fussy cut and he's popped up on there, and it opens like this. Isn't that adorable? I love it so much. So I cannot wait to see what you're going to do. You know, I see this as a little red kind of barn, kind of birdhouse, and there's so many other options for it. So be watching for me to get to use it too. But this is what's coming to you now, and I think you're going to love it. That little bird, though, seriously, his little face. Hey, if you make a project using this stamp set or any of our club sets during the month that we release them, and you post your project on our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, it enters you to win a $50 gift card, and someone from last month has won, and your name will be in the description below. Thank you so much for being part of our club. I hope you enjoyed this one as much as we do. Until next time, bye now.